With my luck, somebody's going to jump either on the left or the right side of the camera and we're going to totally miss it.
You see where my line is, honey?
Yeah.
Where's my line?
Oh shit, I got it! Sweet! That was a bass, honey.
That
was a bass. Did you see his mouth?
Bass? Yeah, that was a tarpon. There's no freaking way.
It was a bass. That was a bass. That was a bass. I saw his mouth. We'll watch the video.
Look, right in front of you.
Do you have any more lures with you?
Hold on, honey.
Dude.
Jeez Louise. That was awesome.
Alright, I'm going to start a new video because I don't want this one to be too long to put on YouTube.